Here, the word love means, what do you do by not doing? You are doing something by not doing. This is the point. You don't have to love somebody and then not understand what it is. No, you don't have to do certain things. Not to harm, not to injure, not to kill. By doing not, you are doing something. The same thing is applied with truth. We wonder how to teach our children. Go and visit any home and you'll come to know. Children are bewildered to know the truth. They don't know how to. They are spanked, they are punished. You see, in the world there is only one standard so far found by the educationists: punishment and reward for all ages. And children are punished if they lie. And both parents are liars, confirmed liars. You see. And they know it, but they don't want their children to lie. Then why do they lie? Because parents never teach them how not to lie. Parents say, speak truth. I have seen a child asking me, Baba, how to speak truth? I was amazed to see. Ishan asked me one day, unconsciously. You always say, speak truth, how to speak truth? I was amazed to see. I said, son, do you lie? He said, yes. I said, why do you lie? He said, I am afraid. I said, don't lie. And by not lying, you will speak truth. Truth is not that something which you speak. You can never speak truth. Truth means, in speech, through speech, truth means you don't lie and you are speaking truth. How the definition changes? If you go out telling that this is truth I am speaking, this is truth I am speaking, you are not speaking truth. You practice truth by not lying. You practice ahimsa by not hurting, harming, injuring and killing. You see. But first is love and then comes truth. Truth cannot be practiced without the help of love.